Sports khakta nattana research ki lamdasu Manipur na Leibak Asigi powerhouse ama Oiba Ngamlakli haina Manipur ki Governor Bhalla na fongdokre. Manipur Science and Technology Council MASTEC Directorate of Environment and Climate Change amasung Manipur University na punna sinduna numit humni chup na chathagadaba Manipur Science Congress English ngani kunga manga ngasi Manipur University gi auditorium da hawdokri Science Innovation and Climate Change haibe wakhalon da pangthokadaba Science Congress hawdokpagi thauram da Governor Bhalla Department of Science and Technology gi Secretary amasung MASTC gi Member Secretary Kengu Juringla amadi Manipur University gi Vice Chancellor Professor and Dasu Sarukya Tharum gi sarukama oina chahi kudingi piraga lakiba Dr. Ibayama Innovation Award English ngani kungamari Dr. Pravavati Science Popularization Award English ngani kungamari amasung State Science Communicator Award English ngani kungamari gi mana singshu tongan bamiyoi ohumda lanthoki Manipur Science Congress English ngani kungamari kungamanga gi souvenir amasung abstract book amasu fongki thauramadu ki athoiba metunglan gi warol piraduna Governor Bhalla na fongdoki bada India gi awang nongpok thangba sarukta leiba state singi manungda Manipur asi sports ki powerhouse ama oina malemna singthanari bani ngasi di Sana khotnaba khak natana tongan ba research ki lam kaya dasu state asi powerhouse ama oiba ngamlakli masida afaba research paper hena puthokpa ngamnana ba honafam thoi mamangi chahida pangthokiba science congress ta pongkiba paper sing yengsinbagi tangai fadaba sulei mahakna hai matamgi matung ina ayinga sagi khalda ahongba kaya lakpana akoibagi fibam amadi miyoibagi punshi mahingda chauna akaiba piraktaba nate state asidasu madugi chaitheng fangduna chaliba chahi asimaktada ising ichaugi awa chaitheng anirak mayok naki chahi khudingi savagi chang wangkhalakpana akoibagi fibam dasu makhal makha kayagi chaitheng pirakli masi pomnamak thingnana ba hotnabada amatta oina thodang lominaduna thabak tongminasi haina Governor Bhalla na makhatana fongdoki
The state offers immense opportunities for research in biotechnology, sustainable agriculture, horticulture, bamboo-based industries, renewable energy, environmental science and climate studies. Institutions of higher learning and research in Manipur can play a pivotal role in developing locally relevant scientific solutions. Congress like this are very useful. I was just glancing through the book proceedings of the last year's Congress. I found two papers. One is on the impact on the greenhouse gases of alcohol production. So I mean, it's a very this thing. In another book, it's on bro-annular deer versus low-tech hydro project. So I mean, there's a lot of issues with locally. There's a lot such needs to be done, and it can be propagated. I would request Vice Chancellor to ensure that some of these papers get published in the international journals also, to achieve and our laurels also, that Manipur is not only we call it as a sports powerhouse, it should emerge as a research powerhouse also, and we should make name in the world that we are doing research and producing good papers. So we can look for publication of some of these papers, which were there in last year's Science Congress.